Okie dokie. Just down the road from Carrizozo, about 4 miles, is this beautiful, or not so beautiful, depending on how you look at it, Valley of Fires recreation area. And Valley of Fires area, it's one of the earliest lava flows in the United States, right here in New Mexico. I could just imagine being here during the time of that lava flow and seeing everything out there glowing red. You would think that hell came to visit. But anyway, early cowboys had to take a wide path around. It was just too rugged to cross. If you crossed it at all, you crossed it on foot, walking your horse, because there wasn't anywhere to ride. Now we got roads all the way through it. It spans many miles, not just this little area here. I'll cut across the road and get some views of the lava flow. Got Heathcliff doing my camera duties. Come here, guy. Okie dokie. We just want to get a little wider view of the area here and a good view of this sign. We'll let Heathcliff go off a little distance and come back just to give us a good view of everything. He's doing a wonderful job. We got a little bit of wind up here in this area. Come here, Heathcliff. Okie dokie. Welcome to the beautiful downtown Valley of Fires lava flow area. As you can see, several hundred years ago, this is one of the earliest or newest lava flows in the United States. And you can see the problems you would have trying to go across this. So everybody went around it way back when. Now we have beautiful roads through it and everything's fine. I got Heathcliff out there fighting the wind with me. This lava flow, we're not in Hawaii, but we're in New Mexico. And we have lava here too. It's just not as active, although we do have some active. I'm going to bring Heathcliff back in and let him get a broader view here. Come visit with me, Heathcliff. Okie dokie. We got Heathcliff going out trying to give us a broader view of the lava flows here at the Valley of Fires in beautiful downtown, just 4 miles past Carrizozo, New Mexico. We're going to head that direction. Come here, baby. There we go. Okie dokie. Hello, Internet and the rest of the world. You're here with Walk Around with Ralph again. We're in beautiful downtown Carrizozo, New Mexico today. Nice little town, a population of 1,222. We're a mile high. We're up at 5,438 feet. Let me see. Carrizozo, county seat of Lincoln, was established in 1899. A new town on the El Paso and Northeastern Railroad. The ghost town of White Oaks, once a booming mining camp, is nearby. Billy the Kid, Sheriff Pat Garrett, and Governor Lew Wallace and Albert Bacon all figured prominently in the history of this area. So it's got a pretty good little history. One outlaw they don't mention is Blackjack Ketchum. He's got a peak over here. And if we look at it, you can see it in the background, called Blackjack's Peak. He hid out up there several times after different robberies and little things that he did. He's not as famous as Billy, but he was about as mean and evil. So we're going to go into town and look around. I got Heathcliff doing the camera duty today, so come here, Heathcliff. Let's... Okie dokie. We're going to let Heathcliff take a broader view of our sign here, and welcome to Carrizozo. I used to pass through here all the time when I was doing some non-emergency medical transfer driving. Heathcliff is coming back. Good job, Heathcliff. Okie dokie. We're still in beautiful downtown Carrizozo, New Mexico, which is the seat of Lincoln County, by the way. We're here at the beautiful downtown Lincoln County Courthouse. We're just walking around. We'd appreciate it if you were to subscribe to the channel. Carrizozo's a nice little town, 1,220 people. I've been here several times throughout my life. I used to travel back and forth. I used to drive Greyhound bus through here. Nice, friendly little town. They have several places here that are good to eat. So any place you stop, you're going to get a good meal. We're going to do a little zoom out here and see if we can catch the entire building here. Come here, Heathcliff. Okie dokie. We're going to try to get a little broader view here of the Lincoln County Courthouse. We're in beautiful downtown Carrizozo still walking around. We'll probably go find us something to eat here or later. But come here, Heathcliff. You're doing good.